Mazezoke. Here I am in Enugu. Enugu State is a very peaceful state. Enugu City is a very fantastic city. With the exception of Ebonyi State, I think Enugu is one of those places that we think will grow old, when we have toiled, when we have done all the hard work and it comes to retirement and you want to retire in a place that is serene, you come to Enugu. But I want to show you another side of Enugu that not many people know about or many people see. I want to show us Emene. This is Ogugua Street, Mainland-Emene. Why I want to show this is I've taken it as part of me to always show places that no one cares about. Why, you may wonder? I want to be different. I want to show the real people. And here I am in Enugu. Across the road is the Enugu International Airport. Well, did I hear myself say International Airport? That airport, yes, Ethiopian Airlines can land there, but aside that, there is nothing international in that airport. Maybe the runway, perhaps, yes, but aside the runway, what else? The terminal. Before you people crucify me, I will say the terminal is not fit for purpose. That's a story for another day. So, why I want to showcase Emene the little I can, because the road is bad. When I say bad, terribly bad in Emene. And this is Emene. This is a city, this is a suburb of Enugu City that votes for government year in, year out. Yet there is no single iota of governance in Emene. Everything you look at here is done by the people. They dig their own water. They provide the electricity for themselves. The road you see, the gutters you see left and right, they did it themselves. Government cannot even find any reason to come and tar this road. I go ask in the street language, people of Emene, to drive on better road, they hungry them before I bite my tongue. Anyway, what did I know? Again, this is Bank Road, I think, I was told. If you go straight to this Bank Road, or rather Bank Street, you will get to Overrail. That is where the railway, we were told by the Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Chibuike, that they are building Port Harcourt Makurdi. Trouble. Another video for another day, because there are so many things to talk about in this place. Nothing works. This is a rail line. It appears that the rail has never crossed this place in the last 10 years. Look at it. Left. Does it look like what any train has ever crossed here? This is the dusty Emene. And I asked the governor of Enugu State, Ugwanyi, when I come to independent layout, I fall in love with Enugu. But when I leave my hotel and I come to where real humans live in Enugu, I feel like crying. You've been here for 7 years, but 7 years you've forgotten Emene. The only road Emene has is the entrance road. That is the one that leads to the international airport. I drive down to Proda when I went to take my kids to go and do their hair. Wow. You will only just be, growing up what we call janglover. That's what you'll be doing in your car, because you'll be shaking like somebody who's having an episode of convulsion because of bad road. Just check out this road. And this is a state that has governance. Again, it's not the time to blame PDP or APC. Well, tell me who is in Enugu. do I care? All I need, all the people want, all they want is very simple. Fix their road and give them water. Oh, but water, it can't work because they say that Enugu has coal, therefore they cannot have water. But the people themselves have managed to find water on their own. While growing up in Enugu, then in New Haven, we had tap running water. How come what the colonial masters left us, we have been unable to maintain them? We're not talking about improving, just maintain them the standard they were, how the British left them. No, it is an impossibility for us to do. Yet, those that tell you that they do not have water and they cannot provide water to the poor in Enugu and every other city, every other village, every other town in Nigeria, go to their houses. They have the best of water, filtered. Go to their houses, open the fridge, chilled drink they will offer you. But when it comes to the people, oh, suddenly nothing works. These are men that when they go to the airport, they will see China towels on the floor. But when you come to their houses, they will use marble. Wow. Because they know how good things should be. But those good things shouldn't be for the public. It's only for them. I am an advocate of good governance and common sense. And all I ask for is that the suburb of Emene that I visited to made me want to shed tears. I appeal to the government of Enugu. We have Ababa. We have Emene. We have some parts of New Haven that is deteriorating now. The last time I went to Egede Close, I felt like, is this same Egede Close that I knew about? What is happening? Why can't we maintain the little infrastructure we have? Yes, we may blame the federal government in some instances, but here we need to blame ourselves. I believe government have failed the people of Emene. I can only say the people of Emene, remember 2023 to use your votes wisely. I am Mazi Ezoke.